limping, severe injury, male lions are known as symbols of strength. But when these big cats are injured, what do they do to survive? In this video, we answer all your questions.
Oh my god.
The Lion King is badly injured. What happened to him before? Difficulty in moving. Perhaps this male lion had fought another male in a previous battle. Mother lion with an injured leg. How will these little lions find prey when their mother is injured like that? Despite having an injured leg, this male lion still tried to cross the river to search for prey on the other side of the river. The jaw was almost broken. Perhaps this foolish action cost the big cat dearly. The injury left it unable to eat, and it slowly died of starvation and necrosis. Even hunting dangerous prey puts the big cat's life at risk. On the African savannah, there are occasional tragic exceptions. The lone lioness, wounded after a fight with a male, becomes weak and limps. No longer able to hunt, she can only survive by scavenging the remains of another predator's feast. The male lion has a large wound on its hind leg, which is likely infected. It may have been injured in a territorial or even a mating fight. Now the lion is severely injured and unable to hunt. Grazing may be the best option for survival. In the end, the male lion died like a brave warrior. The male lion was badly injured and emaciated. There was a serious wound on his left hind leg. He was too old to hunt for food and had to rely on the pride to survive. Most lions fight to gain dominance and respect from their pride. A fierce battle. Loss of territory and conflict with the pride are the biggest causes. They have to go through many difficult challenges, which can even cause death or serious injury. Crazy. Perhaps this lioness accidentally invaded the pride's territory. Although attacked, this lioness did not give up. She bravely fought the lions. Hyenas are one of the typical predators of the African savannah, famous for their stubborn nature and characteristic laughter that echoes in the night. And not just a scavenger, as many people mistakenly believe, hyenas are actually effective hunters with a fairly high success rate. Hyenas typically operate in packs, using their collective strength to chase and take down prey many times larger, such as antelopes, zebras, and even young buffalo. The hunting strategy of hyenas is based on perseverance and endurance. They are capable of running long distances without getting tired quickly, following their prey until it collapses from exhaustion. Finishing the hunt successfully In addition, hyenas are very opportunistic, ready to steal prey from lions, leopards, or other predators when the opportunity arises. It is their intelligence, persistence, and high sociality that have helped hyenas become one of the most successful predators in Africa. The relationship between lions and hyenas is one of competition. Lions are the top predators in the savannah. They mainly hunt large and medium-sized prey such as wildebeest, zebra, and buffalo. Meanwhile, these animals are often the main prey of hyenas. Therefore, conflicts between the two sides often occur. It can be said that this is the fiercest competition in the animal kingdom. The king of the savannah can do nothing but stand still and endure the powerful blows from the hyena pack. They are looking for revenge for their children. A family of hyenas, bold and savage, they are especially cunning. The hyenas surrounded the king of the jungle from all sides. Every time the lion tried to resist, they retreated but immediately tightened the siege. At the decisive moment, 2 more lions appeared, and the situation immediately changed. The adult lioness was surrounded and attacked by dozens of hyenas. However, luck smiled on the big cat as members of the pride quickly came to its rescue. Lions and hyenas are known to be 2 high-level predators in nature. Because of the fight for food to survive, they have become sworn enemies. Hyenas are the enemy of lions, and buffaloes are the most difficult prey for this big cat. It can be seen that buffaloes were unfortunately injured by lions, but lions do not always hunt this prey. In the wild, many animals are forced to fight with each other for territory, food, or mating rights. The common feature of these battles is fierceness, because they are not simply physical collisions, but also demonstrate survival instincts. Male lions often use muscle strength and roars to assert dominance over their opponents. Although sometimes resulting in serious injuries, these encounters play an important role in maintaining natural order, helping to select the fittest individuals to survive and pass on their lineage. But when a mature buffalo gets angry, it can overpower a male lion with its sharp horns. In order to get an easy meal, the lion family chose to attack a small buffalo. But now they have to face the mother buffalo and the fierce buffalo herd. Surrounded by sharp horns. And constantly threatened, they are making the lion family run away in fear. Even though it was faced with a pride of hungry lions, the lone buffalo still fought bravely. It even used its sharp horns to attack the predators. The buffalo kept fighting to survive. The battle became more intense as it kept using its sharp horns to throw the pride of lions aside. This time, even the hungry pride could not bring down this prey. When a buffalo is attacked, it becomes very aggressive. And when attacked, the buffalo herd often sticks together. If one of the herd is attacked, the whole herd will turn around to rescue its comrade from the jaws of death. When hunting prey like buffalo, lions have to be extremely cautious, approaching stealthily. After approaching the prey, the two big cats began to attack. With just one powerful attack, the lion successfully pushed the prey down. But soon after, a herd of buffalo aggressively arrived and successfully chased the two predators away. Being chased by a herd of ferocious buffalo, the lion was scared and ran away. Facing the sharp horns, this big cat was hesitant. Perhaps this video has also shown you that, although they often hunt wild buffalo, this prey is not as easy to defeat as they think.